What's up everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In today's video, we're gonna be taking a closer look at SVE's pinch weld jack pad. All right, there's no doubt about it. To me, one of the most annoying things on any late model Mustang, or any vehicle for that matter, is jacked up, no pun intended, pinch welds from the improper use of a jack. I'll be honest with you, I've personally lost count on how many pinch welds we fixed here in the shop. Now, there are a lot of instances where we need a quick solution to lift a vehicle, whether it's to take a look at another component on the car, service a flat tire, or whenever we're at the track and we need to swap all four wheels. So we developed this premium jack pad for these situations. SVE's pinch weld jack pads are machined right here in Texas from high quality billet 6061 aluminum. To add some pleasant aesthetics, they're anodized in black and incorporate engraved SVE logos on both sides. Unlike other offerings, our jack pads do not have nylon inserts. We have found that this material does wear prematurely. We currently assemble these in-house and use super strong neodymium magnets. That way the jack pad easily attaches to your pinch weld. These jack pads will provide a safe jacking point and will not damage the pinch weld. They can be used with floor jacks or lift arms that incorporate a flat saddle or surface to ensure that the jack pad is nice and flat. It's also imperative that you are near Ford's recommended jacking points. It's okay to position the jack pad right in front or right behind these factory provisions. We do not recommend placing the jack pad in the center of the pinch weld and then lifting one side of the vehicle off of the ground, especially Fox and SN cars, as their pinch welds aren't as strong as S197 and S550 cars. The width of the inside of the channel is 8 millimeters and the length is 46 millimeters, so the jack pads will accommodate 1979 to present Mustang pinch welds, as well as most modern pinch welds on other vehicles. Now, because of the additional bracing on convertible models, we don't recommend these jack pads for convertibles. Included in the kit are two SVE jack pads and a flange tool. This flange tool accepts a 3/8 drive socket wrench, and it's used to straighten damaged pinch welds. Once the pinch weld is straightened, simply position the jack pad into place and the magnets will do the work for you. Place the jack or lift arm underneath the pad and then lift the vehicle. Whenever the jack pads have been used a few times, you will start to see signs of normal wear and tear. Think about it. It's metal to metal contact, so this is completely normal for this type of application. Now, just to clear the air, some pinch welds may be beyond repair for the flange tool. If they are, use this opportunity and reach out to a trustworthy local body shop so that they can properly repair your pinch weld. Also note, because of different side exhaust configurations, exterior side splitters, and any other modifications at or near the pinch weld for that matter, there may be something that could hinder the use of our SVE jack pad. Of course, be sure and remove the jacking pads whenever you are finished, as these are not designed to be left on the car. If y'all been around the channel for quite some time now, then you know I'm a huge advocate for problem-solving solutions. Personally, I have 4 of these in my toolbox at home, and I live both of my Mustangs, my mom's Ford Escape, and really any vehicle that has a safe, factory-recommended jacking point at the pinch weld. As always, for the most up-to-date product information, pricing, and availability on anything in the video, please reference LMR.com. If you like this video, or you simply appreciate our commitment to great parts, smash that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome content and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, you guys know what to do for all things 1979 to present Mustang. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.